Namaste. Welcome to Arham Yoga. In this video, we will see Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation. Surya Namaskar is well known and very good form of exercise. It includes certain yogasanas in the form of chain. Also, every movement of Surya Namaskar is synchronized with breathing, that is inhalation, exhalation, and in few steps hold of breath. Generally, Surya Namaskar are practiced before yogasanas to mobilize different parts of the body. But still they have become significant due to three important aspects. Prayer to Sun God, that is Surya Mantra. Then Sid Mantra, that is Bija Mantra Om. And third, Pranayam. There are different methods of Surya Namaskar, but among all of them, the Aundkar system is more proper and scientific. It includes in all 10 steps. There are lots of benefits if we practice Surya Namaskar regularly. It stretches and strengthens all body parts. It helps to purify the body. It increases and lubricates the blood supply of all joints. Surya Namaskar are helpful in weight loss if we practice them in the form of exercise. It stimulates Surya Nadi, which increases the energy and stimulates the digestion. The particular breathing pattern helps to strengthen the lungs. The chanting of Sid mantra and Surya mantra helps to strengthen the heart. Thus, Surya Namaskar are very beneficial, but there should be taken some precautions. Those who have severe problems of spinal problem, back problem, or severe abdominal problems, then heart problems, high blood pressure, should not practice Surya Namaskar. Also, in case of knee pain or wrist pain, hernia, diarrhea, peptic ulcer, Surya Namaskar should be avoided. Other than this, all can practice Surya Namaskar, children, youngsters, and senior citizens. Let's have a look how to practice Surya Namaskar.
First, we will have a quick look. From the initial position, chant mantra. Om Ram Mitraya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I will explain each step in detail. Initial position for Surya Namaskar. Stand erect with feet together and big toes and heels close to each other. Bring the palms together and keep them at the center of the chest. Thumbs at a 90-degree angle from the fingers. Stretch the chest forward and keep the neck erect and the side straight erect at the level of your height. At the count of 1, only inhale without making any other movement of the body. 1. At the count of 2, while exhaling, start bending forward in the waist and place the palms on the floor in the line of the toes without bending the legs in the knees. 2. A beginner may find it difficult to reach this position, but then try to bend and press the hands downwards as much as possible with the head drawn towards the knees. At the count of 3, inhaling, take the left leg back and rest the knee of the left leg on the floor and keep the toes erect. 3. Press the hips and waist down towards the ground and raise the neck and the side and take it to the back. Push the chest forward, that is open chest, and pull the shoulders back. Keep the right leg and both the hands in the same position. Keep the calf and thigh of the right leg close to each other. At the count of 4, hold the breath and raise the knee of the left leg and take the right leg back. 4. Join the legs together. Feet should remain erect. Keep the arms, legs, back and neck straight. Create a plank position. Fix the side forward. At the count of 5, while exhaling, bend both the arms in the elbows. Lower the body down to the ground. 5. First bring the knees on the ground, then chest and finally forehead. Since 8 parts of the body rest on the floor, it is called Ashtanga position. Do not allow the thighs, abdomen and nose to touch the floor. At the count of 6, straighten the arms, stretch the shoulders upwards, keep toes erect and legs together and knees on the ground. 6. Push the chest forward and pull the shoulders back. Gaze up towards the ceiling. At the count of 7, hold the breath and bend the neck downwards. Touch the chin in towards the chest. Raise the hips up. Push the body backwards and try to lower the heels to the floor. 7. Make sure not to move the feet and palms from their initial positions. Push the body backward as much as possible. At the count of 8, hold the breath, step the right leg forward between the hands and come back in third position. 8. At the count of 9, exhaling, bring the left leg forward in between two hands. 9. The position number 2 is standing forward bend position. At the count of 10, inhaling, straighten up. 10. Fold both the hands and take initial position.
Beginners may find it difficult to achieve these ideal positions, and also it is not expected. But regular practice and efforts surely helps to achieve these ideal positions. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Arham Yoga.